Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Putri Syifa Angieta. Okay, so today we are going to learn about adenosine triphosphate. If you remember, the four major biomolecules ATP would fit in with nucleic acid. Yes, like DNA or RNA. So, what is ATP? ATP is a nucleotide derivative, so it has just three parts you will see in DNA or RNA nucleotides. Without a constant supply of ATP, cells would quickly die. Let's zoom in to take a closer look at ATP's component. ATP is composed of the nitrogenous base called adenine, bound to the sugar ribose, and triphosphate group. The bonds between the phosphate groups are high energy. An enormous amount of energy is packed into this bond. When energy is needed, the terminal phosphate groups is removed in a process called hydrolysis, releasing energy and forming adenosine diphosphate or ADP. The energy released from this reaction is used by the cell to carry out all the functions necessary to sustain life. Later, at the mitochondrial level, ADP and phosphate are recombined back to in ATP, recharging the energy pathways of the cell. The cycle from ATP to ADP and back again to ATP is called the ATP cycle. So, this process is similar to a rechargeable battery. You use the battery or ATP to provide energy for something. The battery drains down and the ATP breaks down. So, you recharge the battery and you eat food to recharge ATP. And that be the basic on the structure and function of ATP or adenosine triphosphate. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.